Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to verify or connect Google Webmaster with Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Squarespace and go to Analytics and select Search Keywords, and here you have to verify your site with Google Search Console. So click on Connect and choose an account to continue to Squarespace Analytics Search Console. And click on Allow. Your site is now connected to Google Search Console. It may take up to 72 hours to index your data. So after today, I'm going to my analytics again and clicking on search keywords. So here you can see I've successfully connected Google Webmaster with my Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.